Welcome to a new episode of the podcast Immigration Law. I am attorney Fabio Loscerbo, and today we are discussing a recent decision issued by the Administrative Court of Milan concerning work permits, immigration quotas, and residence permits for foreign workers. The case involved a foreign worker who had legally entered Italy after receiving authorization through the immigration quota system. Later, however, the Prefecture closed the procedure, claiming that the residence contract had not been submitted within the required deadline. The court highlighted an important issue. According to the judges, the administration had introduced additional procedural steps and deadlines through its digital platform, even though those requirements were not clearly established by law. In practice, the online system forced the employer to wait for further documents from the prefecture before completing the process. And that same digital mechanism later became the reason used by the administration to justify the rejection of the application. The court stated that public authorities cannot create automatic procedural barriers disconnected from the legal framework. Most importantly, the judges emphasized that when the employment relationship is genuine and the contract has actually been signed, the administration must evaluate the real situation instead of relying only on rigid bureaucratic formalities. Another important aspect of the ruling concerns procedural fairness. Before adopting a negative decision, the prefecture should have allowed both the worker and the employer to explain the reasons for the delay and verify whether the situation depended on factors beyond their control. This decision reflects a broader issue that is becoming increasingly important in immigration law: the relationship between digital administrative systems and the effective protection of fundamental rights. Technology can help organize public administration, but it cannot become a tool for restricting rights guaranteed by law. Thank you for listening to this episode of Immigration Law. See you next time.